intercostal surface of heart shows part of right atrium, most of right ventricle, part of left ventricle, and a very small part of left atrium. Superior and inferior venaic cavae open in right atrium. Ascending aorta from left ventricle and pulmonary trunk from right ventricle are next to superior vena cava. Base of heart is chiefly formed by left atrium, with 4 pulmonary veins opening into it. These veins from each lung carry oxygenated blood from the lungs into left atrium. Below left atrium, parts of left and right ventricles are seen. Above left atrium, the right and left pulmonary arteries and arc of aorta are visible. To the right side of left atrium is part of right atrium with openings of superior and inferior venaic cavae. All 4 chambers are seen in coronal section of heart. There is right atrium with tricuspid valve, right ventricle with pulmonary valve, left atrium with mitral valve, and left ventricle with aortic valve. Above the heart are right and left pulmonary arteries, arc of aorta with its branches, left brachiocephalic joining right brachiocephalic to form superior vena cava. Veins start from periphery to reach the right atrium of heart. Conducting tissue of heart comprises of the sinoatrial node, the atrioventricular node, the bundle of His and its 2 branches, one branch for right ventricle and one branch for left ventricle. The Purkinje system present in the ventricles. The impulse for the heartbeat originates in sinoatrial node and is conducted to atrial muscle. The impulse which originated in the SA node spreads in both atria and reaches AV node, AV bundle, its right and left branches and Purkinje fibers, which send nerve impulses to the cells in the ventricles of the heart. These impulses cause them to contract and pump blood. P wave, atrial depolarization caused by the electrical potentials generated in the atria prior to contraction. PQ interval, impulse passage through AV node caused by potentials generated in the ventricles prior to contraction. QRS, ventricular depolarization. T wave, ventricular repolarization caused by potentials generated as the ventricles relax. For first figure, diastole or relaxation period starting from top 1, right side of heart shows tricuspid and pulmonary valves. Left half of heart depicts mitral and aortic valves. During this period, all 4 valves remain closed. For second figure, tricuspid and bicuspid valves open at the same time to push blood into respective ventricles. This is done due to difference in pressure. For third figure, both atria contract now to push remaining blood into the ventricles. Now both AV valves close to prevent regurgitation of blood back into the atria, thereby producing first heart sound, lub. It is longer and low-pitched. For fourth figure, the pressure builds up in both the ventricles as all 4 valves are closed. For fifth figure, aortic and pulmonary semilunar valves open to push blood into ascending aorta and pulmonary trunk respectively. Then these valves close to prevent blood coming back into ventricles. This act produces second heart sound, that is dub, which is short and high-pitched.